Hey everybody, welcome back to Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. I am Keith and I'm up here at the Bushcraft log cabin today. I want to try to restore a lot of the land that I have around the cabin. Lots of windfall and I have lots of debris lying around from the build last summer. So the plan is to clean up around here and also to process all the windfall and all of the logs that are down from last year I didn't use into usable firewood. So let's get going.
49 square feet, 7 feet by 7 feet. I knew last year that a hot tent wood stove would do the trick to warm up my Bushcraft log cabin, but I'll have to remember as I start cutting firewood today that the pieces need to be small in order to fit into my tiny, cozy wood stove.
Just moving some of this wood that I had piled here down this way, because when I start working on the roof I want to be able to have access to all the sides. So firing it down there now, got a good pile. Definitely not a bad start. The chainsaw makes quick work of processing the firewood for sure.
The chainsaw sure makes cutting up this wood a lot easier, but it's still hard work. Time for some lunch.
A little bit of pepper and salt. Just take a look. Alright, that looks pretty good. I am going to just let that cool down a little bit. I'm going to put some water on now for coffee. we go. Alright, so some good progress today. The day is not over yet. I should have another hour probably to do a little bit of work. So I'm going to continue cutting down some of that windfall and processing for firewood. Another day up at it tomorrow, and then the plan is concentrate on the roof and then get back to clearing that off afterwards. Yeah, that's good. It's all good when you're up working and you're hungry, for sure. So what I was saying earlier about the roof, so I went to a local lumber yard and I picked up a couple of trailer loads of slabs. So the slabs are the end pieces that are left over when they make like their boards, their 2x4s and whatnot. So it'll be the perfect thing for once I take off the wood, the logs that I have on top of the roof now, and retarp it all, make sure it's waterproof, and then I'm going to cover it in with the slab so it has a nice cabin look on it. Well, that's not too bad for the day. Got a good pile of firewood that will get nice and dry now over the summer. Some of it's going to be good for this winter. The rest will be good for down the road, but lots of firewood are making good use of the wood that fell down due to the wind and some of the pieces of wood that was left over from last year. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll be back up tomorrow, and I'm going to continue with cutting up some Windfall and piling up the firewood, and then moving on to the roof in a couple of days. So we'll see you tomorrow.